Hey, it's Jen, and I have completely just revamped my supplement routine, and I wanted to share it with you. So I've created 3 baskets, and I want to be able to do each one in 2 minutes or less to save time and have it all together. We are really busy, and I just need a morning basket, an afternoon basket, and a bedtime basket so I can grab it and do it and be done and move on with my day, yet not forget. So let me show you what's in each basket. So this is my morning basket, and everything in here I'm able to do in 2 minutes or less. And our health is totally worth 2 minutes, right? So first of all, I'm gonna grab my VMG. This is all my vitamins, all my minerals, my greens, and my superfoods in one yummy packet. I dump it in water and I take it. It's got mango pineapple extract in it, so it tastes like a yummy fruit juice. It's really good. In the morning, I take a frankincense capsule, 2 phytoestrogen, which balances my hormones naturally. I'm using the new frankincense stick on my brainstem. I'm using Calm across my abdomen for more natural hormonal support. And I am doing my E-Omega because omega fatty acids are massively important for your health. And then I am filling up a bottle of water, and I am putting whatever citrus I want in it. Currently it's lemon, but I'll probably switch that out every week just to cleanse my organs. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an emotional oil. I chose Passion for this week, but it might be different every other week. And I'm gonna just take a second to rub it across my heart, take a few deep breaths and breathe it from my hands and just get my day going. I can do all of that in 2 minutes or less. It's all in one basket, and then I'm ready to go for the day. And then in the afternoon, I'm gonna grab my afternoon basket. I can do this at lunch or any time in the afternoon that is convenient for me. Let me show you what I have in my afternoon basket. I've added a few things from my naturopath also, just because I have a personal supplement routine, because not everybody's body is the same. And there was a couple things I needed to add in. So 2 turmeric and a copaiba every afternoon. I do a vitamin C, an extra vitamin C during the fall and winter especially, just to keep my immunity and my respiratory system really strong. That's my favorite vitamin C. I have a link to that on my Amazon favorites page. Sometimes my iron is a little low, so my naturopath has me on this extra iron supplement, and I love this one because it doesn't hurt my stomach. During the fall and winter, I also do an extra D3 with K2. Again, that's from my naturopath. And then I prepare a drink with one of the MetaPower electrolyte packets and my Advantage collagen, and I drink that when I'm done taking my supplements. So that's gonna cover everything I need for the afternoon. It's gonna keep me hydrated. It's gonna give me magnesium, L-theanine, and potassium, which are very good for brain support, and it's gonna give me all the kinds of collagen for my hair, skin, nails, brain, muscles, joints, all of the things. I can do all of that in 2 minutes or less, and then I can be done with my afternoon supplement routine and move on with my day. Now, I do want to say that I am going to add DDR Prime into this afternoon basket, and then I've got a bedtime routine, and I want to make this as simple as possible to do it in 2 minutes or less. I take my magnesium glycinate, I put my Serenity stick on my feet and on my wrist. I get my Serenity in the diffuser, and I take a Serenity soft gel. Really fast, really easy. And then before I get in bed, I actually rub this on my hands just because it's so good for your skin and for the anti-aging benefits. 2 minutes or less in the morning, in the afternoon, or at lunch, and at bedtime, and it's all in one basket. So I want to say that this is going to be my daily routine from here on out. But of course, there are times when you need to switch things up based on your needs, or you need to take away things or add things. And of course, there's going to be times when I'm going to be taking my MetaPower before I eat something carby or sugary, or if my tummy hurts, I'm going to be using some Digestin for digestive support. I often take Terrazyme after my meals, or if my sinuses are bothering me, I'm going to grab tea tree oil, or if I need some respiratory support, I may grab Breathe. Whatever oils I need throughout the day, of course, I will be implementing them also, putting them in my diffuser throughout the day and doing that kind of thing as needed. But as far as the daily go-to, I want everybody to go grab a few little baskets that you have around your house. Get yourself a morning basket, get yourself an afternoon basket, and get yourself a bedtime basket, and make sure that you have it all streamlined so you can do all of the things in 2 minutes or less. And you know what? Health is wealth. So it's worth taking 2 minutes of your day, 3 times a day, to keep yourself healthy with good supplementation.